This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by John King. Call now and just write an offer. This home has it all and features a fresh, full, and quality renovation within the last few years. Owner has meticulously maintained the home so well you have to see to believe. This gorgeous home also offers a newer roof, heating and air system, vinyl siding, new water heater, vinyl windows, granite countertops, large center island, stainless steel appliance package, attached garage, and huge fenced-in backyard that makes this the total package. Avoid disappointment and future regret and act now. For more information, review the details below.